Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to delete a post on PicsArt application using your Android device or your iOS device. First of all, open up the PicsArt app from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged into the account. Once logged in, click on the human icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up your profile where you'll be able to see all of your posts as well. Go ahead and tap on your post that you'd like to delete, and after you open it up, click the three dots at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click delete. Click on yes in the pop-up to make sure you want to delete this post, and that's it. You can repeat this step for every other post you'd like to delete, and that way you can clear out your posts or delete your posts you no longer want to edit or keep on your account in PicsArt. Remember that deleting a post is permanent and it cannot be undone. That way you can easily manage your content effectively. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.